When I was a kid, I used to watch Minecraft on YouTube and think, man, I wish I could afford this game. But then I thought, why buy Minecraft when you can just make it yourself? Alright, first thing first, we need to create the terrain in Minecraft, and to do this, we use a technique called Procedural generation. It will generate a random world every time you start a new game. Lucky for us, there's a great tutorial on how to create procedural world generation by Sebastian Leak. So I'm just gonna get inspired. Yoink! Your code is mine. Here's how it works. It uses something called the noise map, which is basically a grid of values between 0 and 1. 1 being pure white and 0 being black. We can use this to shape mountains and plains. Now, since everything in Minecraft is just cubes, I just need to place a bunch of cubes there and we're done, right? What could possibly go wrong? 10 cubes. Alright, it's pretty good. My PC can handle this fine. 1000 cubes. Still okay. Maybe a tiny drop in FPS, but still okay. 10,000 cubes. We can see a small drop in FPS, but nothing too serious. 100,000 cubes. We at about 20 FPS now, but don't worry, it's So yeah, that's the problem. It's super laggy. The Minecraft world has billions of cubes, and each cube has 6 faces. So no computers can handle rendering all those faces. Therefore, instead of showing all 6 faces of every cube, we only show the faces that are exposed to the outside, and the rest will be hidden. And because the world is infinite, we can't show all of it at once. Instead, we split the world into different chunks and only render the chunks around the player. Now, I just need to connect all these chunks and wow. What the shit is that? Next, I added textures to all the blocks. Minecraft stores all the textures for its blocks in a single image file called the texture atlas. So I found a texture atlas too, but smaller, which is 16 blocks. And all the blocks work perfectly. Oh shoot. Almost perfectly. This is because some blocks like grass or the furnace has more than one texture. So in order to fix this, I updated the code so that now each side of a block can have its own texture. Very epic! To make moving around easier, I created a character. Now, our character is just a capsule? I took the character movement code I wrote from my other games, then slapped it onto the capsule, and now we can move around in our blocky world. Hi everyone, today we're going to play Minecraft Survival, and first thing we do is chop some trees. Where are all the trees? To generate trees, we use Perlin noise again. If the Perlin noise value is above a certain threshold, I'll spawn a bedrock block to mark it. You can see the bedrock scattered all over the place. Trees will only spawn in these bedrock areas. Generating tree chunks is easy, but the real challenge is the leaves. Since leaves can grow across chunks, it's a bit trickier. But hey, small issues like this have never been a problem for me. I will fix it in just a few hours. Currently every time I move a bit, there is a stupid bug that keeps showing up. I've been digging through my code, but the issue wasn't even in all the files I was checking. It was in a completely different one. And the reason my code was breaking is because I accidentally wrote Z instead of Y. Damn it! Well, at least I fixed it now. Nothing else can go wrong, right? Oh shit. And finally, everything is complete. Now I can sit back and play some Minecraft. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot something. One of the reasons Minecraft became as popular as it is today is that it lets players build literally anything they want. You can build castles, create machines, You can also create computers that let you play Minecraft inside Minecraft, or you can just build it. Basically, if you can think of it, you can build it. Since I have already written the tree generation algorithm, adding the building feature should be pretty straightforward. It's basically the same logic. Players can left-click to destroy a block and right-click to place one. And since I haven't implemented block selection yet, I'll just default it to bedrock for now. Next up are caves. We'll carve out small holes beneath the ground. Initially I thought about using 3D Perlin noise, but I don't really like the shapes it generated, so I went online to look for other methods and discovered that Minecraft uses a technique called Perlin worm to create the caves. But that's the old Minecraft cave. Why do you make the new cave system? Because I'm dumb, okay? Thank you for asking. And why is it called Perlin worm, you may ask? Well, because it's a worm. Don't you see? And we use Perlin noise to control the direction the worm moves. Since Perlin noise values change gradually, it makes the worm's movements look more natural. Now I just need to create one worm per chunk. And voila! Caves! And with that, we've covered the basic elements of Minecraft. Of course, there's still a ton of work to do if you want it to be like Minecraft today, especially now that it's owned by a billion-dollar company like Microsoft. Speaking of Microsoft, if anyone there happens to want another version of Minecraft, just hit me up, okay? I'll sell it for, let's say, $1 billion. That's a bargain, by the way. And if you want to see more of my videos, you can click the one on the screen right now. Go ahead, click it! This is not a suggestion, it's an order.